Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fulfill orders automatically in your Shopify store. Automatic fulfillment saves time, reduces manual work, and ensures your customers get their products faster. Orders are processed on the same day. Now let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. Once we click Settings, scroll down and go to General. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here we will see the order processing section. Set this to automatically fulfill the order line items. Once we check this, click Save. Now, all your orders will be automatically fulfilled in Shopify. That's how we set up automatic order fulfillment in your Shopify store. With this in place, your orders are processed smoothly, helping your store run more efficiently and keeping your customers happy.